Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most powerful and luxurious motorhome conversions of the year, the 2026 Ram 3500 Motorhome Conversion. This beast takes the strength of a heavy-duty pickup and transforms it into a fully equipped, road-ready home designed for those who want serious performance and first-class comfort on every journey. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Ram 3500 Motorhome Conversion looks bold, muscular, and confident, just like you'd expect from a Ram. The front fascia carries the brand's signature grille with chrome detailing and adaptive LED headlights for maximum visibility. The extended body integrates seamlessly with the motorhome module, featuring aerodynamic edges and smooth contours that help with both style and fuel efficiency. High-gloss paint options, aluminum side steps, and large tinted windows give it a premium finish. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels like a blend of luxury apartment and command center. The cabin is spacious and thoughtfully designed, using high-quality leather, real wood accents, and soft ambient lighting. The driver's area is equipped with a 12-inch touchscreen display, wireless connectivity, and advanced comfort features like ventilated seats and a digital instrument cluster. Moving toward the living space, you'll find a fully furnished lounge with plush seating that converts into a bed, overhead cabinets for storage, and panoramic windows for natural light. The kitchen area is compact but impressively equipped. It includes an induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, microwave, refrigerator, and generous countertop space. There's even a small dining area that doubles as a workspace. The bathroom setup features a full shower, toilet, and modern vanity with storage. In the rear, the main sleeping area offers a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, reading lights, and smart temperature control. Every inch of the interior is designed to deliver hotel-like comfort, no matter where the road takes you. Under the hood, the 2026 Ram 3500 Motorhome Conversion is powered by the latest 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, producing up to 420 horsepower and an incredible 1,075 lb-ft of torque. This engine gives the motorhome both impressive towing power and smooth, steady performance, even when fully loaded. It's paired with a refined 8-speed automatic transmission that balances strength with fuel efficiency. The upgraded suspension system ensures stability and comfort, whether you're cruising highways or tackling uneven terrain. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review,